Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the Hostinger's SSL wizard. So first of all, you need to go ahead to the official website and buy a plan. If you want to buy a subscription or upgrade to premium, please go to the link in the description box so you can get a discount. Now what you're gonna do in order to use Hostinger's SSL wizard, you need to manually install the lifetime SSL. So make sure that your domain or subdomain is added to a hosting plan, and then in the website section just find the site in question and then click dashboard next to it, and then in the sidebar search for SSL and open its settings, and then click on install as SSL. Okay, and if the import SSL or install SSL options are not displayed, most likely an SSL certificate has already been installed on that domain or subdomain. So basically the SSL certificate will be installed within few minutes. During that time, the status will appear as installing. Once it's done, the status will change to active to your domain, right, for a lifetime. And if the installation fails, make sure that your domain is pointed to Hostinger servers. Wait for the propagation to complete and then reinstall SSL, right? So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.